So some pretty important news data came out today that no one's really talking about, and that is the ADP employment that came out today, and we're going to dive deep into what exactly it is going to do and the politics behind it. So what we had this morning at 8:15 was that the ADP employment numbers came out, and there was an increase by 37,000 jobs. That's not good. Now, okay, so let's read this article so that we have fully digested. Okay, so private sector unemployment increased by 37,000 jobs. This was a slowdown compared to 62,000 jobs added in April. Annual pay was up 4.5%. Here's the breakdown. So I'm reading right here. This is probably going to be the more important one. The sector saw a net loss of 2,000 jobs, with declines in natural resources and mining offsetting gains in construction. Continuing, trade and transportation utilities shed 4,000 jobs, while information added 8,000. All right. So what does this mean? We're going to go in more depth. So let's break this down. I have some notes because there is a lot to go over. So we added 37,000 jobs, which it may sound good, but it's actually really bad because it was the lowest number since March 2023. 2 years ago, right? Wow. That pretty much means the economy is slowing down. And the slowdown is due to the high interest rates and the tariff uncertainty. So how does tariffs apply into this? Well, this is because this is leading investors and businesses to be risk off and to be very conservative, meaning they are not hiring, right? So the whole Trump's deal and stuff is all based off of massive growth to outweigh our debt. That's exactly what he's doing. And so why did Trump post this? ADP numbers out too late. Powell must now lower the rate. He's unbelievable. Europe has lowered 9 times, right? I secretly think that Powell and Trump are best friends behind closed doors, but to the world stage, it's just an act. Because they both know that the interest rates need to come down, but they also know that if they cut too early or they cut too late, it could be even worse. So they're really playing a game with each other, and they're trying to create this uncertainty to drive the market down. Notice, there was all this tariffs, and as soon as the delays happened, market rebounded, right? Over 30% crash. Now I think we're down only like 15-ish%. Crazy. So it isn't a fun time we were living in. All right, everyone, take it easy. God bless. Enjoy the rest of your day.